Hello, today I want to talk about datasets in Hugging Face. So for example, you have a NLP model that you want to custom training, and for example you already have the custom dataset, and luckily in the Hugging Face there's this model dataset. So this model dataset is to make easier to load your data. But the question is, what is the format of the data that this dataset module expect? And after some searching, I don't find some satisfying example. So that's why here I do trial and error, and now I find it. Okay, for the JSON, you must do the format like this. So in the JSON you will have array of dictionary, and in here we have three column. First column is ID, the second is text, and the third is label. And this is just example, you can change this to the text second or whatever. This is just the example, but the point is you must make a array of dictionary like this if you want to use JSON format. And for CSV, I think it's same. We just need to make we just need to use a comma delimiter. And to read that, this is the same with the example in the web. Let's just load the dataset. And as you can see here, we have a train dataset, and the number of rows is 3. For example, we have a JSON here. If the format of the JSON is not the same with the expected from these datasets, the number of rows that will be detected will be not 3, it will be 1. I will show you the example. So here, this is my trial and error dummy file. Okay, here let's use buatan2.json. If we use this, see here, the number of rows is only 1, and the feature not ID, text, and label, it's data. And now how to iter this dataset? Okay, in the first way, and the simplest way, is just using for loop. And in here, you see here, I loop in the train in the dataset, and I just print it like this. And you must be asked why I know the K is train. It's because in here, as you can see here, in the dataset dictionary, the only key in here is train. So to iter that, I must call the key train. Okay, let's see. And as you can see here, all the rows in the dataset is printed. And now what if we using the wrong format JSON data? And yeah, the iteration is only 1. Okay, I will make it more clear for you. And as you can see here, the iteration is only one because the number of rows detected is just one. And if we using the GSV, the result will be same. By the way, here I will just show you. See here, this is the same. And the second way is using data loader from torch. So this is the example if the model that we use is a torch model. So usually when you train the torch model, you will be using the data loader, and this is convenient because when you're using data loader, all the number in the dataset will be converted automatically to torch. And here, as you can see, the ID, because the ID is number, it's converted to tensor. And I think that's all. This is very simple, but I think this is important to note because yeah, this is crucial if you want to train with your custom data for certain model. And I think that's all. Thank you.